Yo, what's up? And welcome back to Vibe with V. We are now vibing. Today, I'm gonna show you a holiday favorite. We're gonna get down on some mashed potatoes because really, what is the holidays without some mashed potatoes? So, I'm gonna show you how to make the creamiest, most smoothest mashed potatoes. So if you wanna check it out, follow along. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with peeling our potatoes. I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes. I feel like these are more creamier and it's harder to mess these up. Cutting mashed potatoes always makes me think of my mom. We would cut mashed potatoes and just hang out and laugh and gossip, and it never felt like a chore. So whenever I cut potatoes, I always think of my mama. I always get excited when holidays come along because holidays just remind me of, being in the kitchen, everybody, making their own dish. It's a little crazy. You're bumping into everybody. You're tasting everybody's food. And that's where you pick up all the tricks, Mom always showed me how to do things specific ways, so I would always love to cook with everybody, and everybody would always have the most random techniques and tips. You know what I mean? Did you guys ever do that with your family? What kind of tips would they show you? I mean, share them with me because a girl loves all the tips and tricks, okay? We're cutting up 4 pounds. This is gonna serve about 6 people. If you are making this for more than 6 people, you could just double the recipe. And this is a million times better than instant potatoes. Like, don't you dare embarrass me and show up with instant box mashed potatoes because I would die. I like to cut these up in like little bite-sized pieces because A, it makes them cook a lot more quicker, and B, it makes them cook a lot more evenly. So go ahead and cut these babies up. There we go. Add some water, throw it on the burner. Okay, so we're gonna keep this on high heat, let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna reduce it to medium low, just a little simmer, and then it's gonna cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic to our potatoes as they boil. Just give it a little garlic flavor. Now that our mashed potatoes, they're almost ready, we're gonna go ahead and melt our butter and our heavy cream. If you don't wanna use heavy cream, you can use milk or you can use half and half. I personally like heavy cream because I think it makes it so much more creamy. So I'm just gonna throw this on the burner and then allow it just to warm up. All right, so I went ahead and drained these. I'm gonna turn them on a low heat, just so all the water evaporates. Now that butter and heavy cream are nice and warm, they're ready to go. I'm gonna mash our potatoes just a little bit. So my secret to smooth mashed potatoes is this thing here. You can also have like a sifter and pass it through. This just breaks everything down very nicely. It is some effort, but the effort is worth it because your mashed potatoes are super soft, super smooth, like butter. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the last of our butter heavy cream mixture, and then we're gonna add salt, pepper to taste. Oh yeah. I like to add these nice and slow in portions because I don't like to work the mashed potatoes too much. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our salt. Look at how creamy these are. Yes, peeling and putting them all through a strainer can be time consuming, but I'm telling you, it's all worth it. So these are just 3 options how you can enjoy mashed potatoes. I like to make them all cute, add a little bit of melted butter in there, and then I'll garnish with some fresh herbs. That's one dish. This is a nice dish for just a side dinner. Get some steak, some mashed potatoes, delicious. And then we could crack a little bit of pepper, just a little bit, and then throw on some bacon bits. You could never go wrong with bacon bits, right? Beautiful. Last but not least, my favorite. So you get your nice and juicy gravy. You put a hole up in there and then you just let it, babe. They all look so nice and they have just little itty bitty differences in flavor, but they are all equally delicious because you got down on mashed potatoes and you strained them and you got them nice and smooth, and you are gonna kill it. I'm telling you. Should we try these out? I don't know if my waistline can take it, but let's go ahead and try these out. Starting today, we're gonna work on our holiday 10. Let's start with our fresh herbs and butter. These mashed potatoes are just so fluffy, just like drinkable. So our pepper and bacon bits. Make sure you get your bacon bits. Like a baked potato. I may add a little bit of butter on this, but with these bacon bits, come through. Now the gravy. Tastes like Thanksgiving. I don't know which one I like the most. I think it may be the mashed potatoes and bacon bits. So let me know which one you're gonna try, because all of these are just so delicious. Take your time to make the mashed potatoes. Don't you dare get store-bought, I'm telling you. This is so much better. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like or subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one. Let me know if there's any recipes you want to see. Thanks for vibing. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Peace.